What is motivation theory? Motivation theory is a field of study that seeks to understand the factors that drive behavior and the processes by which people are motivated to achieve their goals. It examines the psychological, social, and environmental factors that influence behavior and seeks to explain why people choose certain actions over others. The study of motivation theory is important because understanding what motivates people can help us to develop strategies to encourage and sustain desirable behaviors, such as exercise, healthy eating, and academic achievement, while discouraging undesirable behaviors, such as smoking, drug use, and procrastination. There are several key theories of motivation, including the hierarchy of needs theory, self-determination theory, and expectancy theory. Let me briefly explain each of these theories below. First, the hierarchy of needs theory, developed by Abraham Maslow in the 1940s, suggests that people have a hierarchy of needs that must be met in order to achieve self-actualization, or the realization of one's full potential. Maslow's hierarchy includes physiological needs, such as food and water, safety needs, such as shelter and security, social needs, such as love and belonging, esteem needs, such as respect and recognition, and self-actualization needs, such as creativity and personal growth. According to this theory, people are motivated to meet their basic needs before pursuing higher-level needs. Second, self-determination theory, developed by Edward Deci and Richard Ryan in the 1980s, suggests that people are motivated by three basic needs, namely, autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Autonomy refers to the need to be in control of one's own behavior and goals. Competence refers to the need to feel capable and effective. And relatedness refers to the need to feel connected to others. According to this theory, people are most motivated when they feel that their behavior is self-determined, and when they are able to satisfy all three of these basic needs. Lastly, expectancy theory, developed by Victor Vroom in the 1960s, suggests that people are motivated by the expectation that their efforts will lead to desirable outcomes. According to this theory, motivation is a function of three factors, namely, expectancy, instrumentality, and valence. Expectancy refers to the belief that effort will lead to performance. Instrumentality refers to the belief that performance will lead to outcomes. And valence refers to the value placed on the outcomes. According to this theory, people are most motivated when they believe that their efforts will lead to desirable outcomes, and that those outcomes are valuable to them. In addition to these key theories, there are also several other factors that influence motivation, such as personality, goal setting, and social context. For example, people with a high level of achievement motivation may be more motivated to pursue challenging goals, while people with a high level of affiliation motivation may be more motivated to seek social connections and relationships. Additionally, setting specific and challenging goals can increase motivation, while social factors, such as social support and feedback, can also influence motivation. Indeed, motivation theory is an important field of study that seeks to understand the factors that drive behavior and the processes by which people are motivated to achieve their goals. By understanding what motivates people, we can develop more effective strategies to encourage and sustain desirable behaviors, while discouraging undesirable ones.